The number of IVF cycles is growing globally, and so is the demand for high-quality IVF products and services. Cooper Surgical is a world leader in IVF and reproductive genetics, providing innovative products and services for every step in the ART journey. To support our vision and meet growing customer demand, we have expanded our media manufacturing capabilities. Located in Alajuela, Costa Rica, our site is home to one of the world's most sophisticated IVF media manufacturing facilities, delivering the same high-quality media our customers have come to know and expect. Like many other industry leaders, Cooper Surgical has introduced greater levels of automation to the manufacturing process to ensure consistent, repeatable, and high-quality outcomes. Furthermore, with the introduction of automated technology, Cooper Surgical can drive greater efficiency and increase production capacity to make sure that we can meet globally increasing demand. For our customers, this means we will continue to provide easy and reliable access to products. At our facility in Costa Rica, we have combined industry-leading technological advances with our decades of experience and expertise, enabling us to fine-tune our media manufacturing.
And we use this opportunity to improve our processes and our equipment and our quality systems around supporting this.
To ensure reliability for our customers, our media products undergo thorough quality testing before being released. The site in Costa Rica follows the highest quality standards and regulatory controls and is ISO certified.
The quality control testing is very important just to assure that all of our products are in compliance against the requirements. My name is Fabio Gomez. I'm the quality manager for the Costa Rica site. The importance of our procedures and processes it's that we have all those documented just to assure the standard. Every item or testing that we perform is based on these procedures. So we assure standardizations and that all the testing that our equipment is performing during the days are the same always.
Throughout our facility, we have a no-compromise approach to quality and reliability, and we conduct extensive testing of the many parameters that are important to the sensitive and critical way our products are used in the process of creating human life. A combination of world-class manufacturing technology and market-leading innovation provides our customers and their patients access to best-in-class products now and in the future. To learn more about Cooper Surgical, visit coopersurgical.com.